It's really hard to make new friends. And moving somewhere new without knowing people is tough. We recently made the move across the country, sight unseen, to the gorgeous state of Vermont. And outside of my coworkers and a few familiar faces, we really don't have any friends here. All that to say, I don't believe those things should stop us from enjoying our hobbies. And in this vlog, Deng and I broke out of our comfort zone to check out the local car scene for our very first time. The weather's starting to shape up here in the colder states, which means car season and car meets are back, where I'll be showcasing my POV of the local car scene here. Hope y'all enjoy this vlog of our first meet of the season. What's up, y'all? It is Matt and Dang. Hope you're doing well today. It is currently late April in Vermont, meaning that we are finally in the beginning of car season here. We have survived the winter in Vermont. For everyone asking, yes, the cars are fine. We're very used to living in this kind of weather. We spent a lot of our lives in Minnesota. I spent a majority of my life in Minnesota. The Z is very used to not being driven for 7 months of the year, but it is out. It's been driving. I've driven it a few times during the winter. It's been just fine. The N was just fine all year round. So we're excited that car season is open. We did go to
Vermont Sports Car.
We did go to Vermont Sports Car, and that was pretty fun.
Yeah, that was a good time.
And then we haven't really been around Vermont much in terms of the car scene. Haven't seen much, haven't gone to any shows. One thing I will say is, where in the South, there was a lot of muscle cars, Mustangs, Camaros, Chargers. In the Midwest, there was a little bit of everything. In New England, especially Vermont, first thing I've noticed, many Saabs.
Many Volvos.
Many Volvos,
Yes.
many Subarus. Am I missing anything?
No, I feel like most people have the Volvo as their nice car and the Subaru as their daily is the common combo we see.
So, yeah, we are excited to go check out a variety of stuff. It's a small meet hosted by a group of local people. So we're going to check it out, check out the local scene. We'll be taking both cars. Dang's driving the Veloster N. I'll be driving the 350Z. And we'll see you guys there. The only people here? I don't know where it is. I don't know. Thought it was here. Maybe it's somewhere else. Let me look around. Let me just drive around and look. Let me just look around quick. Is there supposed to be a car meet or something here today?
I have no clue. I saw a bunch of cars around.
Really?
Yeah, I think they all just left.
Cool.
I don't know. Yeah.
Alright, appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Apparently they said they saw a bunch of cars just left. Let me check my phone. The location of this meet got changed 10 minutes after the meet was scheduled to start. This is extremely lame. So we are going to the new location. I really don't appreciate this. It's kind of annoying, honestly. I think the location of this meet has changed like 4 or 5 times in the last 24 hours, so I don't know. Aside from that, though, I've already committed to going to this, so I guess I'll give it one shot at least. Oh, we're following a Viper, Gen 1. Very cool. Alright, we are here. There's like 20-ish cars here, including the Viper and Camaro that we followed all the way, but let's go record some cars, shall we? No, this is a new area for me.
Yeah, very cool.
It's really pretty. You got the lake and the mountain. Wow. Let me turn off my wide angle. Ooh. Wow. All right, let's look at some cars. These ones? Yeah.
Really cool.
3-piecers. I like the color of these wheels a lot. The hearts. Oh, they got them here too. Yeah. Even Peter was talking about how his car is underglow. A lot of people have bronze wheels here, I've noticed. Yeah. Ooh, this is a manual too. It's a nice Supra.
It is a nice Supra. It's very nicely done.
Reminds me of that one dude that we used that bushy. This is cool. What's on the inside? Let's see.
This is a parking. To be fair.
No, he's towing the mini. That's so crazy. Hey, I mean, in case like a nephew wants to use it, and you got the
No rear window. Are these mismatch? Are these alternating colors? With their wheels, yeah. Gold, silver. Lots of manuals here, though. Everyone seems to love driving manual here, which is very cool.
Manual driver population seems to be a lot
Yeah.
larger than other places.
So 700-800. 570 the wheels. I'm not super sure. To add any horsepower to those engines is like if you're going from 450, you gotta do new block or like rod, like everything from the ground up. And then you do that, and then the transmission turns into glass, and then you do the transmission, and then yeah, you gotta get out before fall. It brings you out towards like Bristol, right?
What's your favorite one?
This blue one.
I like this one a lot. This is cool.
With the helmet on.
Yeah. I base my bike knowledge off of nothing but looks and color.
That's all I got too. I got nothing else to tell me.
I like the headlights on this one. That's sick. Oh wait, let's look at this Viper.
And it's an automatic.
Oh, look at this thing.
Wastegate stuck. I thought about getting a garage because they're a little more mellow.
I love the old school wheels. The old school OEM wheels look really. It's like they almost look plastic.
Yeah.
You know, right? That's crazy. Wow.
It's a buggy.
Look at these two.
Quick.
The cops are all talking to people. I don't know what it is. What is that badge? This looks like a nice, cool car. They got a.
What do you call that?
Huh? Oh, we saw that, didn't we? Oh, look, this was built in Australia. I feel like. Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Is this yours?
Oh, yeah, both of these. Yeah, they're ours. Yeah.
I don't see it still. Are we gonna call that impressive or just a Vermont thing? Because where I'm from, that's not impressive. So which one? This one's yours. That one's hers.
We kind of share this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
We're
then
married,
this
so
is
they're both our cars.
yeah. This is the daily, and then the Z is the.
Yeah, Beaver.
The weekend car is the
This
Z.
is the weekend.
No, the Z is
This
the
is our
weekend
daily.
car.
Oh, this is
the
the
N's the
daily.
daily, yeah.
That's the weekend. I
Yeah.
thought this would be the weekend. car.
No, it's our daily. This thing's
Yeah.
all full of groceries.
For winter?
Yeah, we were here through the winter.
You were?
Yeah, and we thought it was pretty mild compared to what we're used to. So
Yeah.
we're okay.
No, I'm a Timberwolves fan. But I like it. Beautiful car.
Appreciate it. Thank you, man. All right. We are about to head out. We were approached by some people and had some conversations. It was all right. It was a chill meet. It's kind of what I expected. It was overall a pretty chill time. It was just nice to see cars for the first time this year. We'll hit up some cars and coffees and other cruises and things like that. We finished.
We're back home.
We're back home from our first car meet in Vermont.
Really?
It was okay. We'll get back into the swing of things, I'm sure, but
There's a lot of like nerves and anxiety and
first time car show in a new
Anxiousness.
area is always awkward.
yeah, it is because first and foremost, like we're unfamiliar with the area, and no matter how much you try and like be friendly, you can always see that on someone's face.
We get
that
judged a
they're-
lot,
Yeah,
either by the plate, Minnesota plate, Texas plate.
yeah. We've had. I heard.
There's a
overheard
lot of
couple
assumptions
comments.
about the car being from Texas or Texans or whatever.
Mhm.
So it was very interesting, but excited to show you guys some cars and coffees and more cruising. We'll probably go to this one again some other time, but
Just
we're gonna poke around and explore as much as we can for now. All things considered, even though it was awkward, it was not a horrible time. I mean, car shows should be fun, right? We go there for a reason. So if we're showing this much uncomfort and nervousness, I promise, I believe in you to go to your own car meet. I know it's weird, I know it's hard, but I believe in you to be able to go and do that. See you guys later. Peace out.